Hi, this is I'm just giving you a quick call because we're working with some other locksmiths in the area here. We're basically implementing an AI receptionist to take calls like this. That sounds like a human. I'm wondering if I can give a little bit more information about that.
We're good, but thank you very much.
Okay, no worries. Talk later.
All this guru tell you how to cold call and cold email selling AI agent, when in reality you're not really using AI agent yourself. So you're telling me you're gonna put AI agent in my business that can help me answering call, auto reply to emails and texts, but you the one calling me try sell your service. It's like try sell somebody coffee when you don't even drink coffee yourself. Step one, I just head over to Google and write plumber in blank city. In this case I use plumber in Sydney. Just using this AI scraper to get all of the contact from everyone. Putting everyone into a CSV file like this. Get a HighLevel 30-day free trial, link in the bio. Inside HighLevel, I just upload everybody's phone number in there. And really just have AI agent cold calling for me and sell itself.
This is Jenny. I work closely with Vico and the team. Is now a good time to chat quickly about using AI to automate your business or client calls?
Yes.
Awesome. I'll be brief. What we're offering is early access to our AI calling agent. And just so you know, I am actually an AI assistant calling you right now.
Did you say you work with me?
Comment the word AI below. I'll send over our complete training that will show you how to charge business owner 2-3K with $300 a month to keep this AI agent running.